A beautiful sunny day, if only this cursed war would end, and we could go back to doing what we love. And today we have this little miracle here. We're going to build a stunt project for 100 bucks. Right now, we've got this pile of who knows what. And from all of that, on a minimal budget, we'll try to build the first stunt beater in our lives. So, if you're into this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And, of course, let's make some nice donations to the armed forces of Ukraine. Enough talking, time to get to work. The FIXIT'S have prepared the frame for us. They cleaned it up with this wire brush. That's basically the cheapest option. Right, at least it's clean, and it'll be a masterpiece already. Our little fork. Everything is being prepped for painting now. Ilyuka is tidying things up here so he doesn't paint what he shouldn't. And I'm starting to prime the frame. So, what will come of this? Write your thoughts. What color would you paint it all? For now, I'm starting to spray it all with primer. The priming went pretty well for a garage and for the most budget-friendly option. Because, as a reminder, we need to stay within $100. It's coming out absolutely fire, like a song. This is how our fork will look. So, have you written it down yet? Did you guess the color? If not, you still have a chance, because it'll dry soon and our pseudo painting session will continue. We already got the first wheel done too. Oh, that's the kind of wheel we're ending up with. So, let's move on. The little parts are gradually turning into something sweet. This is going to be a fire Ferrari, damn it, that's the frame we'll have. It'll look solid in the sun, because the camera makes it look a bit pink, but in reality, it's so red it's almost scary. Our fork will be this red too. I'm leaving the rest to the FIXIT'S, as I'm off to serve the people of Ukraine. You keep watching how they assemble all of this, and I'll jump back in later when I can to comment on what they've built. So, some music for you. And as always, enjoy watching others do the hard work. Something like that. Oh, did you notice the cool detail, by the way, that there's this face on the engine block? I hadn't seen it, now I know. Pretty cool. Let's get this thing assembled. And our final idea for weight reduction is to cut out this cover, for beauty and to show off our setup. And also to lighten our little scooter breeze just a bit more. So, be careful not to nick this piece, because I don't want to take the kickstart segment apart. Our used cover has arrived, because someone not very bright did this to the old one. And this one was sold with the kickstart crescent assembled. So I went ahead and bought that cover. Of course, it was a bit over our budget, or rather not in the original plan, but no big deal, let it be. So let's get to cutting that cover. And here is our cover. This is how we cut it. It might look like a total mess, but a bit of sanding and a file will fix it up. The angle grinder left a few marks here, but it's going to be repainted anyway and look factory fresh. So now we'll touch all that up and throw it on our scooter to see what we've ended up with. Look at this cool toy we've got. A bit of Chinese junk, a bit of ingenuity. We installed the original handlebar. It was there, but it looked a bit strange. I found one lying around in the garage. We installed this 22mm one. There's also a partition here. Anyway, I'm showing you this because of the content plan, as they say. So, we're showing you this intermediate version for now. Still have to think about it. We already figured out what to do with the floor. There. We still have to solve the exhaust issues. It's a bit rough, but I think cleaning up those welds will work. Oh, the filter. After all, Thai AliExpress basically helped us make a white fuel system. We wrapped everything in white electrical tape just for fun. Like I said, we couldn't even stay under $100, despite all that junk. We have another question to address. Our front brake gave out. We'll have to think about a new caliper and system, I don't know, but the problem is the original one is for a 20mm handlebar diameter, and we have a 22mm one here. Anyway, we'll figure something out, but for now, this is the result. That's how our cover turned out. Pretty stylish. Hey, Ilyuka, come here. Oh, anyway, a bit of paint, a bit of angle grinder work. Hey, spin it back and forth. Oh, and now such a juicy, cool feature has appeared on our Sepia. And the most important question is, can this thing pop a wheelie? Ilyuka will show you now, but as I said, no one has touched the variator yet. There's no actual tuning as such. Everything is basically stock for now. The carburetor is missing the mixture screw. Well, we disconnected the electric valve for now, and it runs well enough to show you. But even so, this thing gives you a lot of emotions. Alright, Ilyuka, hit it. Due to the fact that it's been lightened to the max, even now, on a mix that's far from perfect and running who knows how, this thing actually pulls a bit. The exhaust is holy. It won't be possible to quiet it down like that. There will be a button here. Anyway, a bunch more cool stuff will be added, but I don't know, I'll show that to you in shorts. So, for a first stunt bike, if you basically want something to mess around with, you just grab the cheapest Sepia you can find. As long as it starts, strip everything off of it. A little electrical tape, some wild imagination, paint, and you'll have a first bike that I think is great for learning how to ride a wheelie. The spare parts are cheap. Everything costs reasonable, sensible money for practice. Pure poetry. I didn't even know that the ZZ could do something like this. There's a cat's face printed on the back like this. Have you seen that? This is my first time seeing it. That's the kind of gadget we ended up with. Everything will be finished up, but as for the intermediate version right now, I think it's sweet. So, if you're interested in the content, as always, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and of course, make a nice donation to the armed forces. Well, see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.